In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Adobe Acrobat on your laptop. Whether you're looking to edit PDFs for work or personal projects, getting Adobe Acrobat is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through each step. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any other browser you normally use. In the search bar, type in Adobe Acrobat Editor and hit Enter. You'll see a list of search results. Usually, the official Adobe website should be the top result. Look for that link and click on it to proceed. Adobe's website is user-friendly, but to make sure you're on the right page, look for options detailing Adobe's Acrobat services. Once on the Adobe Acrobat page, you should notice a button or link that says Start Free Trial. Click on this to begin the process. Adobe offers a free trial period. Typically, this lasts 7 days, which gives you a great opportunity to explore all its features without any immediate commitment. When you click Start Free Trial, you'll see some prompts guiding you through the next steps. Click Continue to proceed. At this stage, Adobe will ask you to enter your payment information. Don't worry, this is standard practice for most free trials, ensuring that you can continue using the service seamlessly if you decide to purchase a subscription after the trial ends. Fill in your card details carefully and proceed to create your Adobe account if you don't already have one. Your account will help you keep track of your subscription and provide access to Adobe's various services. Now, if you prefer using Adobe Acrobat through an app rather than a web browser, you might want to download the Adobe Creative Cloud. This application serves as a hub for all Adobe products, including Acrobat. To do this, simply open another tab in your browser and search for Adobe Creative Cloud. Follow similar steps to download and install it on your laptop. Once installed, you can manage all Adobe apps from a single dashboard, which is especially helpful if you're using multiple Adobe products. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the steps to downloading Adobe Acrobat, ensuring you're ready to dive into editing and managing your PDFs. Remember, the 7-day free trial is a perfect opportunity to test out all features and see if the full version meets your needs before any charges are made. If you have any questions or run into issues, Adobe's support section is quite robust and can assist with troubleshooting. Happy editing!